Hi my beauties! So I have another tutorial for you, and this is in the Ever After High series. This is Kitty Cheshire, the daughter of the Cheshire Cat. And yeah, it's purple and it's shiny because after all Kitty is from Wonderland. She's from Wonderland. And pardon my fake British accent, but I do a pretty good British accent, if I have to say myself. But it's very purple, and for once I have the right eye color for her, except for the cat, the actual cat eye. And I don't have lilac hair, and I don't have a lilac wig. I need so many wigs, but they can be a bit expensive. So, if you want to see how I turn into Kitty Cheshire, then keep on watching. Alright guys, let's get to it. I apologize if you can hear some sounds. It's just the wind is pretty blowing out there today. So I'm starting out with my Master Prime by Maybelline. This is so good. I'm just going to warm it up between my hands. And then just blend it out into my skin. And time for a little bit of color correcting with this former blemish. I'm taking my full coverage concealer by NYX in green, just a little dot there. And that's all. I'm taking my other full coverage concealer by NYX in Alabaster. You know I love this stuff. All the way out on the edges just to get it out. That's how much I love this concealer, and I need to get it. I'm gonna blend out my concealer with my damp beauty sponge. And then for foundation, I'm taking my NYX Total Control Drop Foundation in the color Light Ivory. I'm going to take 16 drops. And I'm going to apply it with my beauty sponge, which you know. While the foundation is sinking in, I'm going to do my brows off camera. I'm going to use these two kind of purples, light purples, and I'm using my brow brush for that, and then I'm setting my brows with my NYX Control Free Clear Brow Gel, so I'll be right back. Oh, and the palette I'm using is the BH Cosmetics 88 Matte Eyeshadow Palette, and I'll be using this throughout the tutorial. Time to set the skin. I'm taking my NYX HD Finishing Powder in Translucent, and I'm taking my setting brush just to set my under eyes. I always start with the eyes because then I'll be sure that the concealer won't crease. And then for the rest of the face, I'm going to set it with my powder brush by Real Techniques. That's that. Now I'm going to do the right side of my face, and then I will be back. There, right side done, the right eye's done. Bam! Now let's get to the other eye. I'm taking my NYX HD eyeshadow base. Like that, and then I'm just going to blend the primer out through the lid and also lower lash line. Time for eyeshadows. I'm taking my BH Crease brush and my Transition Color Taupe color. And then I'm just going to apply that to my crease. And also a bit to my lower lash line. Then I'm taking my shading brush by Real Techniques, and I'm taking this purple down here. And then I'm going to dab it onto my lid. What you heard before was just me tapping off the excess, because I don't want any fallout. All the way up to the crease with the color. Looks a little patchy, but we can fix it. I'm taking my blending brush by BH, and then I'm just going to blend. Then I'm taking my base shadow brush. I'm taking the shadow that's just above that purple we just used. And I'm applying it to the tip of the brush, and then I'm applying it to my crease to deepen the socket. Whatever left on the brush, I'm applying to my lower lash line. And then I'm just connecting the lower lash line with the outer V out here. I'm taking my blending brush again, and then I'm just giving it a final blend. Then for highlight, I'm taking my Makeup Revolution highlight palette in Highlighter Lights and my BH angled shadow brush, and I'm taking this purple highlighter right here on the brow bone. Just blending, and I'm also applying it to my inner corner. We want that. After all, Kitty, she is from Wonderland, so a bit of a shiny highlight doesn't harm. And then I'm moving on to eyeliner. I'm taking my NYX matte liquid liner and applying it to my top lash line and winging it out in a feline form. And I'm also connecting it a bit just to the outer part of my lower lash line. And then for my inner rings, I'm applying my Slide On eyeliner in Jet Black by NYX, and then I am curling my lashes and applying my Maybelline Lash Sensational waterproof mascara. And if you want to use lashes, you can use that. Just maybe some outer corner lashes to get that more feline form. But I don't have any glue left, so I'm just gonna use my normal lashes, and they are quite long, as you can see there. They're quite long. So I'll be right back. Now let's move on to the rest of the face. I'm taking my Makeup Revolution Ultra Blush Palette in Hot Spice. And for Kitty's blush, I have chosen this color. It's like a movie color. It's still a bit red. Warm color. And then for highlight, I'm taking the same highlighter again on my setting brush. That one, the purple one. We love the purple one. Top of the cheekbone. Just see that, wow. Live for a good highlight. And then let's take some down the nose bridge. And Cupid's bow, obviously. And then tip of the nose. And then we move on to the lips. Now Kitty's lip color is like, on some pictures she has a very hot pink lip on, and then on others she has more of a pink purple mauvey color, so I've chosen that. And this is one of my Gush lipsticks, and this is in Night Kiss. I love this color so much. So on with that. Perfect. And now we're done. Kitty Cheshire. I feel like I've made so many purple looks, but still, it's different. It's different. I like it. I like it so much. On this light, my hair looks so reddish. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So remember to subscribe, comment, like this video if you liked it. It really helps me a lot. And then you can follow me on all my social medias and on my blog. And then we'll see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye!